Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to do to bring more money into your life today? And the Seven of Cups came through upside down. It flicked out of the deck while I was shuffling them. And this is all about you need to dream bigger, right? Because you can have whatever you want, but you don't limit the dream, okay? What is it that you want money-wise? Like you might be saying, oh, I just want to make this much or I just want to make that much. But what do you really want? Are you limiting that dream? This is about dreaming big here. So if you could have whatever you want money-wise, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. What would it be that you would want to create if you could have whatever reality you wanted to have with money? Because the cards are telling us here that you're not dreaming big enough. So make the dream as big as you can, okay? So what is it? Let me know. Now, make sure you like it so I know you're liking these readings. Subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And remember, dream big. Let me know how much money, if you could have whatever money you wanted in your life right now, what would you have? Don't limit the dream. Keep it as big as you can. See ya.